I'm considering laying zoysia sod next spring. Do I need to kill my existing grass, Bermuda fescue, with Roundup before laying sod, or can I just till the existing grass under? Also, when is the best time to lay zoysia sod in Memphis? And this is from Douglas in Germantown. So what do you think about that? So kill the existing sod with Roundup, or would you till it under?
I would do both.
Ah, you would do both. Okay.
Yeah, because one thing, you want to make sure that what is there is gone and not going to come up. Because even if you lay sod, there's going to be a break somewhere, and if you left the Bermuda underneath it, it could pop up in that small, you know how Bermuda is around here.
Yes.
And it'll start mixing with the zoysia, and that's not what you want.
Right.
So I would make sure that it was gone by killing it with, you know, some kind of glyphosate or, you know, something like that. And then when you're ready to you have to wait about 2 weeks for that to work. And then, you know, you want to till it up because you don't want to just put sod on top of flat dirt. You want to loosen the dirt up so that the roots have a chance to get a hold in the ground.
Good contact, right? Good contact.
Yeah, now I have established some zoysia sod, and I've always done it in the fall because it's cooler. The ground is still warm, and I like doing it then. But if you did that, you need to start, you know, you're almost to the point where you don't know if you're going to get 2 weeks in to be able to get the kill you need.
I would definitely use a glyphosate product because Bermuda is hard to get rid of. Bermuda, you know that, don't you? Yeah. And then of course he has the fescue as well. This is what we did for the turf plot of Booker. We actually went out, sprayed glyphosate, and killed all of the Bermuda that was there, the existing Bermuda. Okay. And we laid some, of course, some zoysia sod, some Bermuda sod, and some others. The best time to really do that, though, is late spring, early summer, right? Because you can get that root system established.
Yeah.
Now, understand this, in Shelby County, you can actually lay sod year-round because our grounds here do not freeze.
Right.
Right. So you can do it year-round, but the best time to actually lay sod, especially warm season grasses like zoysia, Bermuda, is going to be late spring into summer. Yeah. Right. Now, if you can deal with the heat, you know.
Yeah, and zoysia is a little bit different. Sometimes they don't cut zoysia when it's dormant for some reason. So Bermuda, they will cut dormant because it's listed as one of the top 10 worst weeds in the United States.
It's a weed, right.
So, you know, Bermuda is very tough, and it can handle in a dormant state being moved and laid down. But zoysia cannot. And they usually don't cut zoysia until it greens up in the spring.
Right. So hence, late spring, early summer to lay that. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.